Hello people, good evening. So I've not made any video today, so I said let me come today. Congratulations to myself, I've gotten a microphone, so I noticed that my the audios have been poor. My apologies for all this while. So I had to go get a microphone. Now this is the gold setup I shared yesterday. Price has not gotten there, so I needed the pending order. But that's what I'm going to be looking out for next week. Let me clear the chart and reanalyze everything again. I'm using this to test also my microphone. So what did I see yesterday that made me want to take this trade? Just as we always do, immediately I saw the shape of this high, I got interested. So what makes me interested in picking a trade? What attracts my attention? One thing is I want to see market sweep an old high. Are you seeing it now? Or an old low. So once I see market go across an old high, whether as a sweep of liquidity or as a breaker block, what do I regard as a breaker block? Now you can see market pushed up. This is a sweep of liquidity. There's no breaker block here, but you can see the market from this point pushed up. Had it been this candle closed here, this would have looked like an order block. Are you seeing it now? Because it's where market pushed up impulsively. It would have been where market pushed up impulsively. But what now happened? Market now turned around, and when market pushes up from an order block, you'll be expecting market to come around where it started pushing up from and respect it. Like look at this. Market pushed up here. When market came back around here, it respected it. So this had an order block here. This is also an order block. Market pushed up here. When market came back around here, it respected it. Are you getting it now? So now we are expecting from here that market will push. After market pushed up, if it closed here, are you seeing it now? If market comes around here, it won't respect it. But if market pushes up like this and then market coming back does not respect it and passes through it, now what this stuff that should have been an order block will now become a what? A breaker block, because market has broken through it. And whenever market breaks through a breaker block like this, it returns back to that breaker block to use it to push price down, just as you saw market do here. Are you seeing it now? So market respected it. Okay. So for me to want to take a setup, I want to see market push above, clearing an old high, either as a breaker block or sweep of liquidity. This was not a breaker block. This was a sweep of old high. This was sweep of liquidity. So I want to see that on 1 hour time frame. I want to see market come back and pass through it, breaking structure. So let me mark the first thing I want to see. I want to see market do this, clear an old high. Are you seeing it now? So let's pick liquidity. I want to see that. I want to now see market turn around and come and break structure. What caused that push? I want market to come and pass through it. So market has done that on 1 hour time frame. I'm going to mark that. Okay. So this is my break of structure. Okay, so after that, I want to see what caused this break of structure. What causes break of structure is usually an order block of orders. So I'll mark this green candle as my order block. I'll mark my order block. What I will mark as my order block, irrespective of the color of the candle, should have a candle by it that it is higher than the high of whatever I mark as my order block should be higher than the high of the one before it and the one after it. So it is this green candle that has that attribute. Now all this explanation I'm doing, I did it yesterday on my previous video. I'm just repeating it again. I'm just repeating it. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that green candle as my order block. Okay, let me make it transparent. Are you seeing it now? So after I've done this for this after I've done this on my 1 hour time frame, I will scale down to 15 minutes time frame to refine that order block. First thing when I go to 15 minutes time frame would be to work to refine that order block. So let me go to 15 minutes time frame and refine the order block. Now this is the order block I marked on 1 hour time frame. This is it. So I'm going to check for what is suitable as the order block on 15 minutes time frame, and it's this guy. Oh sorry, let me use this tool again. So you can see this green candle here. That's what I'll be using as my order block. Are you seeing it now? Just as I say, I want my order block, the highest point of it, to be higher than the candle before it and after it, irrespective of the color. It can be green, it can be red. Okay. So and you can see that it is at the extreme here. So I just want it to be that. So I'd mark that. So let me remove this one and refine it to the 15 minutes time frame. So this is the order block. That's where the push that broke structure started from. So the push that caused this break of structure started from here. That's the order block. So this is 15 minutes time frame. So what else do I want to see? What else do I want to see? I want to see price. I want to see that when price was returning, you can see this order block, it pushed price down to this place. So I want to see that when price is returning to it, it will give us an inducement. What is an inducement? Fake market structure shift. I saw it around here yesterday, but unfortunately, market continued downwards. So you can see that when price came here, this is where I saw this setup. I saw this as retracement. Are you seeing it now? But unfortunately, market came and respected this order block here. Are you seeing it now? So I think you cannot trade every order block, and that is why I'm explaining to you the way I trade every day, the same process. Okay, so while price was returning, when it turned back to this place, are you seeing it now? I saw this as a fake market structure shift. So I was expecting price to come back. Are you seeing it now? And mitigate and tap into the order block here and drop down. Are you seeing it now? And then unfortunately, price has continued coming back. Are you seeing it now? So what am I expecting again? When price is coming back, I'm expecting it to give me another inducement. Are you seeing it now? But I can still place my pending order here, but I won't do that because today is Friday. Are you seeing it now? I'm not going to place any pending order now because today is Friday. Okay, so I'll allow till Monday, because when the market opens, spread could just take me out and then the market will continue going. Okay, so so this is what I marked the setup yesterday, and I marked this as inducement, this place. So this is where I want market to come. I marked this as inducement. So let me explain it, because I want to explain everything on every video so that any of my videos you watch, you understand whatever I'm doing. But it's good to watch everything, because I say different things in terms of psychology and other things on other videos. So what do I regard as inducement? You can see that after market left this order block coming down, are you seeing it coming down like this? It now did as if it's returning to it. Are you seeing it now? While returning to it, it now did as if it's not going to continue return, that it's going to continue fake market structure shift before getting here. So once market does a fake market structure shift as if it wants to continue selling before getting to the other block that is your point of interest, it becomes induced. It tends to induce early sellers. Are you seeing as well? Some people will jump into the sales, thinking the market wants to continue its trend, and the market will now come and use them as liquidity. to use their stop losses and pair it with the remaining orders. I explained this in depthly in the last video. Pair it with the remaining order. You know, it was an order block. They pushed price. The order was taken, but it was not, all their orders could not be fulfilled. Just imagine that this order block, the money that they wanted to sell with was $500 billion, but the money that was that was available in the market was like 300 $1 billion. So it moved to 300. So it's coming back. It has to come back to complete the remaining $200 billion. Are you seeing that? Because the market, so market doing all this is to generate liquidity. In fact, coming here, doing here, and giving this fake market structure shift, so that people will put their stop losses here. Once they are liquidated, once they are taken out of the market, it will add to the liquidity that they need to complete what they need to push price up. Are you seeing it now? Because if market comes back straight to this place, maybe the liquidity here, the market, the amount that they want to push, the remaining $200 billion, maybe it won't be available. So they try to gather that liquidity, make market money available in the market by generating liquidity, by engineering liquidity inside. So all these small highs that are inside are liquidity. So market will come, trigger it, there's available money. Some people have lost money, so that money is in the system. Are you seeing it now? They now pair it with their remaining orders here. Are you seeing it now? And the market will now drop. So this is what I was expecting. Okay, so I marked this yesterday. Go and watch the video. I marked this as what? My inducement. I marked this as my inducement. Okay, let me align this to the top so that I can see it easily. Okay, I marked that as my inducement, and then I want to see that inducement break structure to actually confirm, to convince people. So I now have this as my inducement break of structure. Inducement break of structure. Okay, so this is what I explained yesterday. This is exactly what I explained today. So I was expecting market to come here, mitigate it, and drop. So I had my pending order here and my stop loss just above this place, and then I targeted, I think, a 5R. I targeted a 5R. But unfortunately, market has not done that. Has not brought price there. So what am I expecting again? As it is with what market, because that place is still very valid. I expect markets to come around, induce some people too, cause inducement here. Are you seeing it now? And then probably come here. Come here and drop. So I'm still expecting the sell, but I'm not going to place a pending order because today is Friday. Okay, today is Friday, so I'm expecting this from the market. So when market gets there, then I'll do confirmation entry on lower time frame and enter my trade. Are you seeing it now? Or if market delays and it is Monday, if market doesn't get there by Monday, then I'll place my limit order. Okay, so please do well. I always forget to tell you to please subscribe to the YouTube to channel. I believe you're enjoying everything I'm explaining here. Subscribe and like each video so that you can be encouraged and YouTube can recommend the video to other people. Please be cool. All right, thank you.